Hello, traders and market enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the art and science of smarter trading. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that can transform your trading strategy, the average true range, or ATR. If you've ever felt the sting of setting a stop loss only for the market to nip it before soaring in your favor, or if your profit targets seem more like wishful thinking, ATR might just be your new best friend. Imagine this. You're out in the wild, a lion tamer trying to choreograph the unpredictable moves of the market beast. Prices roar, jump, and occasionally they bite. Now, what if you had a method, a trusty gauge, that helps you anticipate just how wild today's show will be? Enter ATR, your very own market compass. It's not just numbers on a chart, it's a pulse on market volatility, a statistical herald of what's likely, not just possible. Now, ATR isn't a crystal ball predicting the future. Instead, it equips you to set dynamic stops and realistic targets. As volatility dances, so does your strategy. Using multipliers of ATR for stop losses and trailing stops ensures you're on point, no matter how the market shifts. Picture this. Your stop loss isn't a rigid line, but a flexible ally, shifting subtly with the market's breath. This adaptability keeps you from getting whipsawed out of trades by mere noise, and instead lets you lock in those juicy profits with precision. But remember, the market isn't all about going solo. It's about community, learning, and growth. Subscribe to our channel, where we dissect market dynamics, blend in insights from seasoned traders, and collectively refine our trading tactics. Before we wrap up, a vital note. Trading is inherently risky. It's essential to approach it with caution, reasoned strategies, and never put all your eggs in one basket. ATR can serve as your co-pilot on this thrilling journey, helping you manage risk and find your sails wind. Remember, the goal is to trade smart, flexible, and always with an eye on the horizon, and not just the immediate wave. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope this guide to ATR has been illuminating. If it has, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let's navigate the thrilling waters of trading together. Until next time, trade wisely.